Oh my god, that's so weird. Yeah, I think this might be a bit late. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup based video. I know my past few videos have been a little bit different. I've been trying a few new things on my channel which I've really been enjoying. You guys seem to be really enjoying them as well, so thank you so much if you're like newly subscribed. It's really weird because my channel would kind of come to a point where like I wasn't growing that quickly, and then suddenly in the past few weeks I've gained so many new subscribers. So if you're new, thank you so much for joining. This video is going to be me basically testing a bunch of new makeup which I feel like is kind of hyped. I've got the JEFFREE Star glosses, which I was going to do a full video on it, but then I kind of thought it's not really enough to do a full video just on 2 lip glosses. I've got the new Too Faced mascara, which is called Damn Girl. Benefit have launched a new foundation and a new powder foundation, so I'm testing that as well. I've got some of the MAC Aladdin collection, which is pretty cool looking. There's basically like not an entire full face, but there's a lot of new products in here which I'm going to give you guys my honest opinions on. So if they suck, I'm gonna let you know, but also like equally if they're good, then I'll let you know as well. And if you guys are following my Instagram, you probably would have seen that I posted about most of these things on my story to ask if you wanted me to test them, and the majority of you said yes to the majority of these products. Let's just get into the video. If there are any other products that you guys want me to test, please leave them down below in the comments. Also, if you do enjoy this style of video, give this a thumbs up. I was gonna test the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks, but international shipping was $20, so I was like, I'm just gonna wait till they come on Beauty Bay, hopefully. To kick things off and keep my lips moisturized, I'm gonna use the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil, which is new. Oh, something just flew out onto the floor. This looks so cute. I've also got the primer to test as well. I like the sound of a lip oil. I don't really think it smells of anything. Could be wrong. Oh, okay, it smells and tastes of watermelon. Oh, yes. That feels super moisturizing. I always like to put lip balm on at the start just so that it can really soak into my lips by the time I get to my lipstick. Then I also have the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. This says that it instantly refreshes and moisturizes before makeup application. It also looks really cute. It's got little like, I don't actually know what they are, like little black beads in it. I mean, I don't really want that on my face, but oh, wait, was I supposed to? So it does have a pump, there's no need to unscrew it. I think you have to kind of tip it like this. Yep. Oh my god, that's so weird. It's like gel. It literally looks like aloe vera gel or something. Again, it smells like watermelon. It smells so good. But yeah, I've got like one of those black bead things on my face. Like it feels nice, but I just don't get why they put those little black bead things in it because it didn't dissolve. Okay, that definitely feels very hydrating. It's okay, but I'm just a bit confused about these little bits in it. Oh, honey, I'd do anything for you. If any of you watched that episode of Black Mirror with Miley Cyrus in it, there is a song that she sings in that and I cannot get it out of my head. They need to add it to Spotify because it's such a tune. So for my foundation, I've got the new Benefit Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation and the Velvet Powder Foundation. I have received the shades 1 in both of these, which I think is probably going to be a bit too light for me at my current state. The foundation is £26. The powder, they're both £26. The powder says you can use a brush for light coverage or sponge for medium to full coverage. Medium to full coverage in a powder. And then the liquid foundation says that it's got photochromic pigments, adapt to brighten skin in any lighting. Flower acids help boost radiance, and hyaluronic acid helps keep skin hydrated. I love hyaluronic acid, so let's just get this on my face. The only annoying thing about me now using fake tan, I'm literally addicted to it, is that all of my foundations do not match me anymore. So this is shade 1. I like the bottle, it's like frosted glass. Oh, that came out instantly. Yeah, I think this might be a bit late. It smells nice. Oh, it's actually got kind of like pretty decent coverage. I would say that's like a medium coverage, maybe. I'm gonna darken it with like bronzer. Oh, okay, it's drying quite quickly. I thought it was gonna be super moisturizing because of the hyaluronic acid and stuff, but it's actually not super glowy, which is kind of what I was expecting. If I was at my regular skin tone, I think this would be a really good color for me. It's very pale. It's definitely kind of overall evened my skin tone, and looking in the viewfinder, my skin definitely does look brighter. I mean, yeah, it looks whiter because I look like a ghost, but I mean, it definitely looks kind of, it's got a nice kind of subtle glow to it, but without being wet looking, if you get what I mean. It's got a really nice finish. I do actually quite like that, you know. Let's put on a little bit more and see if we can build the coverage. So ignoring the fact that it's the wrong colour, I do actually think that it looks really nice. I do like the finish of it. I'm definitely kind of, these days I kind of tend to go for something that's not completely matte. Oh, well, this is now going to look ridiculous because I'm going to apply my regular concealer, which is going to be darker than the foundation, but we're going to make it work, apparently. Okay, maybe we're not going to make it work. I'll do my best. Then I'm taking the Hello Happy Powder Foundation, which looks like this. I love how they put a smiley face on everything. I mean, like, why not? And this does come with a brush and a sponge, but I'm good. Has a decent sized mirror. I'm just going to use my powder brush. Oh, I was gonna cream contour, but I forgot. Oh well, we'll just try and bronze up the rest of my face with the powder bronzer. So I feel like that did give me a tiny bit of coverage, nothing crazy. I mean, it did say that it would give a light coverage with a brush. To me, it just kind of feels like a normal powder. Obviously, I haven't tested it just by itself. For my bronzer, I'm gonna use the Disney Aladdin MAC collection. This is technically a blush, but it's the Your Wish Is My Command bronzer blush thing. To me, this looks like a bronzer. It's like brown. Packaging is gold and it's got like this, Aladdin pattern on it. I have never actually seen Aladdin, so maybe I shouldn't be testing this, but oh my god, oh no, oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, so word of warning, it's very pigmented. Okay, you need a very, very light hand with this. I know that it's quite a dark kind of brown color, but that was a lot. The thing is, I feel like I need to put it all over my face just to like make me match my neck. My plan was to cream contour like the rest of my face to like bring it to the same shade, but I forgot, so I'm an idiot. How to make a mess in 5 minutes. If you wanted to see like a really nice professional makeup tutorial, I'm sorry, you've come to the wrong place. I don't really know. It's not my favorite product from MAC. I've definitely got other bronzers, blushes by them that I way prefer. So I'm gonna give that one a bit of a meh. I'm just going to add a bit of my L'Oreal Life's the Peach blush because I don't have another blush to use. Can somebody please let me know their favourite song right now down below, because I need to get this Miley Cyrus Ashley O song out of my head because it's driving me insane. So any song recommendations would be highly appreciated. Is that too much? Probably. I look like a clown. Okay, I'm confused because the highlighter also says powder blush on the back and it says always one jump ahead. So I'm guessing that maybe they're all just labeled as powder blush because this one is definitely a highlighter. It's got the same like Aladdin, what's that called? The like thing that the genie comes out of. This looks like a really pretty kind of golden color. It might be a little bit too golden for me, but we'll give it a go. Ooh. Oh man, okay, yeah, that's too dark. God damn it. Oh, but it's so pretty. Okay, that looks ridiculous. Just because like from the front, it just looks like a muddy patch on my face, but oh, that's such a pretty color. That's such a shame. It's just a bit too kind of like bronzy for me. Oh, but the formula of it is so soft and so nice, but now I really look like a clown. This video has been such a fail. Okay, if I put this down my nose, I'm just gonna have like a brown stripe down my nose, so I'm not gonna do that. But if you do have kind of like more medium deep skin tones, I feel like this would be a gorgeous highlighter on you because the texture of it is like really, really smooth. Let's just try and get rid of some of that. Instead, I'm gonna use this one, which is the Maybelline Intense Metallic Highlighter in Molten Rose Gold 350. Oh, maybe this one is even a bit too dark. Oh god, maybe I should have just purchased the foundation in the correct skin tone. That probably would have helped. I thought I'd be able to make it work, but maybe, you know, sometimes I'm just not right. Moving swiftly on. So NYX have launched some new Fill and Fluff brow pomade pencils that have got a fluffing brush on one side and then a pomade pencil on the other side. I have these shades Blonde and Taupe. I'm gonna go for Taupe. I normally, at the moment, for some reason, I've been filling in my brows like quite a bit darker. This says it's the boyfriend gene of the eyebrow world, all-in-one brow pencil. Features a smooth waxy pomade for shading and a tiny paddle brush for fluffing and blending together for an effortless look. I mean, that sounds good to me. I've been wearing my brows a bit more natural recently and I like them a bit fluffy, so okay. The only thing that's scaring me a bit is this is quite a thick pencil. It's like a triangle or like teardrop shape, and then the other side, oh my god, oh. You know those foundation brushes that are like a that look like a toothbrush? Do you know the ones I mean? This is like a mini one of those. Whoa, oh my god, that's madness. Oh my god, I'm scared. I normally do my brows with a really skinny pencil, so this could go horrendously wrong.
Hey,
Okay, the formula is quite nice. It's not too creamy, which is good. I mean, it is creamy, but not to the point where it's like slipping and sliding all over your face, you know what I mean? Let's then go in with this little brush to kind of blend it together. So it's definitely easy to use. If you want something that's really quick and easy and you don't particularly have like a specific shape to your brows and you just want something to quickly fill them in, because I like my brows to be quite defined at the front, it's a little bit trickier to do that with this, but the little brush thing did kind of help to blend it. It's okay, but I don't really think I'd use something like this personally on a daily basis, but if you want something that's not as precise as like a tiny little pencil, then maybe you would like this. I need more bronzer because I look ridiculous. I'm just gonna add a bit of my Milani Baked bronzer. I can just hear the people in the comments being like, no, don't do it. Maybe that looks even worse, I don't even know. I'm just gonna go in with a bit of my Collection Incredible Brow tinted, ooh, there's a massive hair in it, that's gross. Tinted brow mascara in the shade Brunette, just to kind of stick them up a bit and make them look a bit more fluffy. Also, let me know what you think of the darker brows, because I've really been enjoying having darker brows recently. I then have the MAC Aladdin eyeshadow palette. This is a very kind of basic little palette. It's only got 9 shades. I think this is the Princess Jasmine palette. So these are the colours that you get. They're all pretty neutral, but there's a really cool like duochrome shade. Can you see that? Ooh. You do have a kind of matte transition shade. You've got a pink sort of like light blending out shade. There's an inner corner highlight. There's a few kind of lid colours. There's more of like a taupey silver. Oh wow, that one's stunning. There's a gold, that one's also stunning. There's this duochrome one. Okay, actually, you know what? I'm gonna swatch all the shimmers. Wow, they feel really nice. Okay, right, I'm gonna have to do them on 2 different hands now, aren't I? Okay, so that one is definitely the nicest out of all of them. It's like a purpley pink shimmer. That one isn't really much of a shimmer. That one is a little bit meh. It's not that pigmented. And that one is more just like an inner corner, like wash of champagne. The other ones, oh my God, that like taupey color is beautiful. The gold is also really pretty, and then the final one is that like duochrome. This one feels kind of like more like a sheer wash of color. I think I'm just gonna go for something pretty basic. I'm gonna start out with the transition sort of color. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. Okay, that's a lot more pigmented than I was kind of expecting. It looks really light in the pan, but on me it's actually quite dark. That was all just one dip. Yeah, wow, okay, that colour's really pigmented. I'm also just putting some of this on my lower lash line. This is definitely more of a cooler toned brown. I'm then gonna take some of that kind of silvery taupe colour and I'm gonna put this on my lid. Oh wow, that's so pretty. That is such a pretty colour. I'm then gonna take a tiny bit of that really dark shade. This is where it could all go horribly wrong. And I'm just gonna put that on the very outer corners. I just picked up the tiniest bit because I'm kind of scared of dark browny purples. Like literally just this much. And then just gonna take the shimmery champagne and I'm gonna put this on my very inner corners. Ooh, that's nice. So it's quite a nice palette, it's quite a neutral palette. I definitely don't think that it's something that I need in my collection and that like particularly stands out. That silver colour that I used on my eyes was really pretty. But because I've got so many other neutral palettes, I feel like I wouldn't really need it. But if you are a big fan of Disney Aladdin and you want a little like travel size palette, then it is pretty decent. So this is probably the thing that I'm most excited to test, and that is my mascara. This is the okay, this isn't actually it. This was what came in the PR package. This is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. The only thing I have to say about this is I received a box that, no joke, was like, it was huge. It was like this big. I opened it up, there was another box inside it, which was maybe this big. And then I opened up that box and inside there was this, and this only, just in the middle. And then I opened this, and it was just this. So it was all of that packaging just for one mascara. It's supposed to be a kind of like lightweight wax formula that isn't supposed to weigh down your lashes. The brush looks very similar to the Better Than Sex mascara. Where's my mirror gone? Let's see how this performs. This is a big brush. Okay, right. There are clumps of it that are kind of sticking to more lashes than others, where there's like a build-up of product in the middle of the brush. Ooh. So far so good though. I definitely agree that it feels lightweight on my lashes. I feel like the brush is just a little bit too big. That it's kind of tricky to maneuver. Wow, this is giving me big lashes though. Wow. In the PR package, when you open the box, there was this guy going, "Damn girl, those lashes are thick." And I mean, These lashes are thick. If you don't like clumpy lashes, I don't think you'd like this because it is a little bit clumpy, but as you probably know if you've watched my channel for a while, I do like a clumpy thick lash. I'm not gonna lie to you, this has made my lashes look pretty incredible. I have one of the MAC Aladdin lipsticks in Friend Like Me, which looks like a gorgeous nude colour. I've also got Jeffree Star's lip glosses, which I think I'm going to try first, just by themselves, and then I'll probably layer it with this lipstick. Why did I buy 2 shades? I genuinely don't know what is wrong with me. I got Wet Peach, and then I also got Control Freak. I do actually wear gloss quite a lot at the moment. I normally just wear like a bit of lip liner and then a bit of gloss. Okay, I got a baby pink one because I thought it was like the most nude sort of looking, and then I got Wet Peach, which on the Beauty Bay website the swatches for Wet Peach look like it would be a bit more subtle, but this is like a full-on bright peach colour with gold glitter in it. The packaging is pretty cool. These were expensive though. They were £19 each, so I spent nearly £40 on 2 lip glosses, and I'm not 100% sure why. Oh, that smells so good. The doe foot is like a skinny little mini. Okay, that's weird. I can't really smell it on this. I'm going to try them on just by themselves first to see like what the pigmentation is like. Okay, thank God this one is really sheer. It's pretty much clear, but with the tiniest hint of baby pink. Okay, it definitely has given my lips a bit of a milky look. I feel like with a lip liner, this one could be really nice. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It feels hydrating, but like, you know, your lips don't stick together. I quite like the formula of that. You can't really like smell it or taste it when it's on your lips, which is kind of good. But I think, let's see what the peach one is like. Like, I don't know if I would pay $19 for this because it's kind of like just a tiny hint of color. I got this because of the name. I was kind of really hoping it would smell of peaches. It does not smell of peaches. It smells like mildly sweet, but it's nothing overpowering. Oh my God. I know that it's probably just me being boring, but I kind of wish he'd done a few more nude colours in the collection. Oh wow, okay. To be fair, this is gorgeous. Oh wow. That has got so much like fine glitter in it. This one definitely feels a little bit more sticky. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I just put too much on, but I hate when it does this in the corners. Let's get the torch on. Can you see this? Like, that's a lot of glitter. I don't normally wear lip gloss with glitter in it, but it is quite pretty. I would never normally go for a gloss that had glitter in it. It does look nice though, but I don't like how this one is kind of like collecting at the corners. Maybe I did just put too much on, I don't know. Okay, yeah, even after wiping it off, I've got glitter all over my mouth. I'm just gonna go in with the Aladdin MAC lipstick, which is very light. Oh wow, that's very nude. Oh wow, that pigmentation is amazing. I feel like this is an amplified formula, but it doesn't say on the bottom of mine because it's a sample. Oh, that is a gorgeous nude colour. It's like a mauvey kind of taupe grey toned nude. I'm just going to go over the top of this with the nude gloss. Yeah, I think I definitely prefer the formula of the non-glittery gloss. Also, I feel like this lip combo is maybe a bit too light. I think the standout product for me was the mascara. I love that mascara. I feel like it's going to be a really good one. Okay, so let me just find a question of the day. Okay, today's question is kind of a random one, but I do actually get asked this quite a lot. It's from Nurin Oyen. I'm sorry if I've said your name wrong, but they said, can you tell me how you get your lips so red? By the way, I love you. I love you too. And I get comments quite a lot like, how are your lips so red? Why are your lips so red? How do I get my lips red? Basically, my natural lip colour is just generally very pigmented. I don't do anything to make my lips appear more red. I feel like it's definitely more obvious when my skin is like paler. It's just kind of how they are, and I don't know why. That's just my lips. So I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. As always, if you have any video requests or ideas or suggestions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.